Howdy, howdy, guys. Back to cruzermans. We have this huge, big industrial sewing machine, and it's a Mitsubishi. This is from Japan, and so we're gonna have a little walk around this thing and see how big it is. It's on like a big table. Underneath here, under here, huge motor, and this huge big pulley on this side, and a controller, and look on that. Yeah, so I've been sort of mucking around with the speeds of this thing, trying to get it going. A lot of the wires were ripped out of it and stuff, and on the end of this was just that. So anyways, I got I got and so turn it on. I can hear I can hear it running, and it's not spinning. It's got so that move, but then that's all it does. Then it stops, and then there's a switch over here, and as well, which doesn't work. And if I push it back the other way, it goes that way. Oh yeah, well, it sort of goes and then it dies, and so I had a look inside. This is like underneath, and it opens, and then there's all these capacitors, and they're set at 63 volts at 470, and some old channel chips, fuse up there of chips in there. Yeah, guys. So under here we got the transformer, main power transformer. Another ohmage capacitor, that white thing. Yeah, so just a little bit of guff on this. There it is there. It's a 230 volt motor at, how many amps does it say? 2.8 amps, and it revs out at 2,870 RPM. Yeah, so it's going through the speed controller. So I'm guessing it would control, the speed. It's just basically a big regulator board, so that you got speed control and synchronization between this and the sewing machine. But but yeah, guys. So let's plug this plug in. I just wired all of this up. Now, if it blows up, it blows up. As you see, I tried to color match all the wires. This is a black cord, and this one is a grey cord, and nothing matches. But everything seems to, in here, like plug in pretty good. Anyway, let's turn this on. Nothing's smoking. Alright, let's push the pedal. Oh, still not much happening. So this little thing on the side here, just turn that off for a minute, is a little belt tensioner, and there's a, where is it? Here. It's a little lever, like that, and yeah, what it does is it just goes against the belt, puts a bit of pressure there, tightens it, stops it from slipping. Pretty clever idea for back then. It's a really old machine, guys. So yeah, that's a little look over that, and I'm going to pull this thing to pieces and try and get it running really good, guys. So yeah, like I said, it's from Japan. Just a little look around here. It is humongous. Look at the motor on this thing, it's huge. I wanted this as a test bench, so I can test out my generators when I build them and get this to spin them up and stuff. But yeah, well, we'll see. It's huge. Cool, guys. Big shout out to my boys, Montreo and James McNabb, and your vids, boys. Cool. And don't forget to look on Messenger for updates and stuff. So, cool, guys. See you in the next vid. Cruiser Man out.